Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a headlight in a Nissan Versa. First, make sure your car is turned off and the engine has cooled down completely to avoid any burns. You'll need a new headlight bulb, which you can find by checking your owner's manual, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Having the right tools ready makes the process much smoother and quicker. Always prioritize safety when working on your vehicle. Now, let's get to the headlight. Open your Nissan Versa's hood and look behind the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a few plastic clips or an air intake duct to gain clear access. Once you can reach the back of the headlight, carefully unplug the electrical connector. It usually has a small tab you press down before pulling it off. Take your time to avoid damaging any wires. With the connector unplugged, it's time to remove the old bulb. Depending on your Versa model, there might be a retaining spring to unclip, or you might need to twist the bulb counterclockwise a quarter turn. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Use gloves or hold it by the base. Finally, reassemble everything in reverse order. Plug the electrical connector back onto the new bulb, ensuring it clicks securely. Reattach any air ducts or plastic covers you removed earlier. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. For an effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing robot vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your bright new headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.